Welcome to the Motu unboxing. Okay, this is the Wave 9 assortment. Okay, let's open her up so we can have a look to see what's under the hood. Right out of the box you have the 2000X He-Man. Okay, nice. Right, I will review him soon. Okay, just here, I give you a better look at the card. Okay, with the 40th anniversary logo, still sticker. And the next will be Skeletor, also inspired from the 2000X series. Okay. Right, and here's the back of the box art. Okay, the next would be Montana, evil spy that pops the eye. Evil spy with pop out eyes. This is the box art. And finally would be Pighead, the evil nemesis of Sandman. Alright guys, here are the Wave 9 figures out of the box. Alright, Montana, Pighead, Skeletor, and He-Man. A clearer look at the Wave 9. Motu Origins figures. Box art. Here is a look at the box art for He-Man. And the cross cell at the back. All of his wave mates. Here's a look at Skeletors. Pighead. And finally, Montana.